The world is now connected. Everything that we use in our houses is either coming from a different state or a different countries. We import from China, India, USA and many other countries. But how these all products are coming at your home? They are coming by transport services around the world. You can now start your own transport business without having any vehicle. You can connect the drivers who are having the vehicle, and you can connect the companies who wants to transport their product, and you can earn commission on each booking. Today we will understand our ready to launch transport booking application. So yeah, let's get started. So this is our application. Right now it's having our company name. It will have your name when it's your app. And now when you open the app, you can see a driver can register his truck, he can register his delivery vehicle, he can register his huge cargo. Any vehicle the driver can register. And once the driver want to register, he will enter his phone number and he can easily log in. Let's say he don't have already account, then he will create an account by entering his phone number, name, email and much more. We also have refer and earn option, and now the driver account will be verified by OTP. And now the driver can enter his documents like his passport, his PAN card and much more. You can set what document you want. And now the driver can set what route he is working in and much more. And now he can wait for an order. Every time a driver register, he will verify by admin. And now this is the customer app where the customer can post load or what transport he wants to book. He can choose vehicle, and now he can choose what is the estimate price he wants to go for. You can set here what is the estimated price you wants to go for, and you can also set that this is the price you want to go for, and you can also set much more detail. You can enter your contact number and much more. And yeah, that's how a customer can load the booking in the customer app. That's how a customer make a booking in the application. Now booking will go to all the nearby drivers, and the driver will accept this booking, and now you can pick up the products from the customer location and deliver it to the destination. That is how the transport application is working. You can now start your own transport application easily without any hassles. You can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you. And that is the driver profile where driver can see his reviews and much more. It's a complete online ready to launch application with online payment and much more. You can also see your available nearby ferries, available nearby vehicles like this, and always send a new request to the nearby available vehicles like this. It's having live tracking with all the features. A driver can see his booking, he can also see his past booking, he can also see his earning and much more. And that is how our ready to launch transport booking application is working. If you want to start an application like this, you can directly WhatsApp us, so our team can help you. In this application, driver and user can have a chat and they can set what price they want to go for, and then the customer can pay online and then the booking can be confirmed. So that is all about our ready to launch transport booking application, where a customer and driver both have wallet option. They can recharge the wallet, and we also have refer and earn option. It is a complete multi-language application with multiple locations. So what are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, or you can visit raunix.com, so our team can help you the best. You will get a user Android app, driver Android app, admin panel and complete 1 year free technical support. If you want Android and iOS, you will get a user Android app, driver Android app, user iOS app, driver iOS app, admin and 1 year free technical support. For more, you can